guys, if I said to you that I can solve this Rubik's Cube that is mixed, and it is mixed up, isn't it, Laura? Yeah? Okay, if I said I could solve this with just one hand, that'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it, guys? Yeah? Okay, you're a tough audience. If I said I could solve this with one hand behind my back,
No.
Thank you. Can we all go? Ooh. And if I said I can solve it with one hand behind my back, before you can count to 10, starting at 1, counting 1, 2, 3.
No.
That would be. Oh, I need you as my assistant, Helen. That's fantastic. Thank you. So, guys, before I do this, I'm going to show you that I've got no other Rubik's Cube except for the one I've got in my hand. I've got no Rubik's Cube down the back of my t-shirt or in my pocket there, in my pocket there. I do not have a Rubik's Cube in this pocket. You'd see it, it'd be bulging out. I've got my wallet, my purse in that pocket. So guys, do you think I can do this, guys?
No.
We're not sure. Okay, thanks, Laura. But it's okay to think I can't do it, that's fine. So as soon as it goes behind my back, guys, I want you to start counting from 1 up to 10. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa!